Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Abatifreke Matudoka and this channel is named Masuke Nation. In this channel, I teach people how they can profitably use their smartphone, not only to receive call or send text message. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design the flyer on your screen right now. So I'm going to carry you along the full steps on how you can achieve what you are just seeing on your screen right now. So the next thing you are going to help me do is to click on the subscribe button. Just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so that things like this can always reach you and other people. So now the application we are going to use to design this is called pixellap. Pixellap is a design tool that is very professional in terms of smartphone design. So that is the app we are going to use. Okay, let's switch into our pixellap. Okay, now we are in our pixellap. Now the first thing we are going to do here is to set our background. Here, if you know how to use pixellap already, just go to your background. And if you don't know how to use pixellap, there is a video I've done on this channel that how to use your pixellap. The full tutorial on everything you are seeing on the screen here, every icons you are seeing here, how to make use of them. So maybe you should go and watch it. Okay, so now go to background. Your background is here. When you open your background, get to image size. Open your image size. Then let's set our height to be 1000 to be 1000. Okay, so after that we bring in our background, our main background, because this is not the background we are going to use. As you saw in that picture, we are going to bring in our main background. Don't worry, this design resource is in the description box, so you are going to get it from there, the resource of this design. So now we are bringing our background. So the next thing you are going to do, you come to this overlay, click on it and then lock it. The reason for locking it is that so that you will be able to do other things without interruption, without it interrupting you. So I will lock it now. So if I lock it, I cannot move it any longer. You see, I cannot move anything. So now it's locked. Now the second thing we are going to do here is to write the text. Right. We have the black. First of all, write our black. Copy and write Friday. Okay, the font I use for this Friday is called Days. It's in your pixellap, Days. That is the font I use. Right? So now what we are going to do with the black? Is you change the black to color black. Once you change it to color black, you come to stroke. You click on stroke. Change the stroke color to white, then increase the stroke. Right, you increase the stroke. So once you have increased the stroke to 20, you now add shadow. Then before you add shadow, come to either you come here to take it to the front, to take the black to front, or you come here. Once you open there, you use these dotted lines here to carry it to the front like this. So now that I've carried it to the front, so you now go to your shadow. Once you go to your shadow, you add your shadow and reduce the opacity. Add your shadow. Once you add your shadow, then come to offset Y. then bring it down, bring your shadow down. When you bring your shadow down, it will be on 28 plus 28. So plus 28, you now, once you bring your shadow down, you now reduce your opacity, then okay, so now you can now see that the black is floating, right? You can see that the black now is floating on top of the Friday. So now we are done with that. We are going to lock it. Now the next thing we are going to do is to write make your face order. Now the font we are going to use there is the font that's days. I'm going to use this. Then reduce the font size to 20 or to suit your design. So now we are done with that. The next thing we are going to do is to bring in our 30% discount. So the icon, the sticker, I get the sticker from pixellap. Go to your, click on this. Once you click on that, you now click on your sticker. Once you click on your sticker, you scroll to check for the sticker. Here is the sticker. Here is it. So to write 30%. Now the font we are using is still that days. Always observe, always try to maintain in your design, always try to maintain uniformity. No too much font, no too much color. So now we are going to use black. We are going to add black so it can show black. Okay, now the next thing we are going to bring in is our delivery icon. The resource is in the description. Now our delivery icon is here. So now we are going to change the color, and you come to color. Once you click on color, enable the color. Now what we are going to do here is that we are going to use the color of the spoon. We are going to select our color from the spoon, and how we are going to do that is to come to this plus icon. Plus, once you click on the plus, you come to this eyedrop icon. You want to click on that. You now select this. You select this background that has spoon. Once you select on it, then you use this select to select on this spoon the ones you want. Just select on it, then click. After selecting, you click on this mark. That is okay. Now we have selected our color. Next thing we are going to do is we write in the just order, just call instead. So we are going to use the font we are going to use is this Germanic book. So now the next thing we are going to do is to bring in that line, that shape line. So you click on your shape. So once you click on your shape, reduce your opacity to 0. Once you reduce your opacity to 0, you come and increase your stroke. Once you increase your stroke, then change your stroke color to the color you choose. Then bring in the shape. Make sure you set the shape while you are still on this side, because if you exit from this side to go and work on the shape, it will change the size of each side. So now after you set it here before you okay it, so now we have set our this thing, we now okay, the thing is there. So the next thing we are going to do is to crop the left hand side out so that it will not interfere our bike man. So now we have cropped it out, and then we will now position it well. Now it's okay. So now the next thing is to bring in the company logo. Reduce the size. Then set it well. Then write the company address. That is. So guys, our flyer is ready. This is the simplest way on how to edit your flyer with pixellap. So if this video interests you much, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we will always bring something like this to you. So after you have finished your design, what you will do is you will click on this to save your design. So once you click on that, it will ask you if you have to save it as project or save it as image. So you can save it as project, give it a name. I will give it Black Friday. Then I will also save it as image. So guys, that is the end of our tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified each time we post a valuable video like this. Please like, share, and if you have anything to say or you have any question to ask, put it on the comment section. I will always reply you. Thanks for watching and bye.